Smells like a 2006 grill. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, music, and everything in between. I'm your host, Icarus. Welcome back to the show. I appreciate you guys stopping by, so don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content in the near future. With that out of the way, let's get to it, man. Man, we are talking about the Lightning 4's, the 2021 release. I'm just riding right into it, man. Because like way back in college, I never bought any collegiate merch, from UST. So I never bought like jackets or t-shirts. But ever since I've been into sneakers, I've always wanted to get the perfect yellow shoe to signify that part of my life. And if you watch my channel in general, you know that I really love the Jordan 4's. So this comes no surprise, I gotta have this pair. So when the Lightning 4's released like a few weeks ago, I entered all the raffles, and as usual, your boy lost. But a friend of mine actually hit me up and said, hey, I got a size 12. I don't really need this pair. If you want, I can ship it to you for retail and everything. I'm like, dude, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciated that. And like, that's the beauty of the sneaker game, you hook your buddy up for a really nice price since you know that he's gonna be rocking it. And I gotta say, that's a beautiful thing. Again, a huge shout out to you, man. This is like a really memorable pair for me. And before we get into the shoe, I really want to say that Jordan Brand has been nailing this packaging, man. Taupe 4's, brown cement. Sashiko's, the navy patchwork. The Lightning 4's, you bet your ass you're getting a tour yellow box with cement print all over. And as the size tag would read, Air Jordan 4 Retro, tour yellow, dark blue gray. And as you pop the box open, you get the cement print tissue, and then you get the sneakers. And here we go. Folks, this is the Air Jordan 4 Tour Yellow, or the Lightning 4's. This is like just a beautiful shoe. So bright, man. I never imagined myself actually wearing this pair, but yo, this looks fire, man. This looks fire in person. The Jordan 4 Tour Yellows, or the Lightning 4's, released around August 28, 2021 and retailed for $220 or roughly 9,500 pesos here in the Philippines. Just a brief history on this shoe. This year marks the 15th anniversary of this pair's release since 2006. Launching online only at Jumpman23.com, the Lightning 4's came with a t-shirt and retailed for $250 back then. Released alongside the Thunder 4's with a sweatshirt, but that retailed for $500.
In your dreams, Thunder.
Yeah, right.
Thunder? What's he talking about, Thunder?
Because Thunder always comes after lightning.
Again, the Thunder and Lightning came in a 2-pack but was sold separately. And the colorways used were actually a tie-in or a tribute to the Jordan Motorsport team back then, for a limited number sold in the Jumpman 23 site. Now jumping right into the shoe, we have this really nice tour yellow, buttery nubuck upper. Now, according to a lot of sources, the yellow used on this pair is actually a lot duller compared to the original release. But to me personally, I don't mind the difference from the original pair, because if you're rocking a yellow shoe, that's an instant head turner already. And this shade of yellow would fairly blend well as a color pop to neutral toned outfits from your olives, your blacks, and I gotta say, man, I'm fairly impressed with the materials used on this pair right here. compared to like the nubuck on the Bread 4's. Not gonna lie, I love my Bread 4's, but I wish they used the materials used on this pair on that pair. But hopefully if they retro in the near future, they'd take note and use this nubuck right here. I mean, come on man, these are really buttery and it holds well for the overall shape of the shoe. Again, according to a lot of sources, the Jordan 4 Lightnings back then in 2006 were more of a banana shape and much longer compared to this pair right here, which is a lot more bulkier and a lot more better in my opinion, because it's that Jordan 4 silhouette or shape that I grew to love. Now moving on to the medial and lateral sides of the sneaker, the side wing straps, which are usually TPU panels, are in the same nubuck material in that cool gray colorway with a glossy plastic crown for its lace eyelets, black rubber netting for its accents to contrast that tour yellow upper, and it comes with default yellow laces with no extra laces available. The tongue is still in that tour yellow nubuck with a gray Jumpman patch with a white silhouette and yellow for flight. And the tongue is super soft. It reminds me a lot of the tongue of the toe 4's. It's very much padded really, with a matching yellow sock liner for the ankle and gray inner liner for the tongue. As for the insoles, you have your standard polyurethane insoles in white with a Jumpman branding in gray. Now moving into the back part of the shoe, you still have that tour yellow nubuck for the pull tab and heel with a gray plastic Jumpman branding. Again, this is not an original colorway, so there's no Nike Air. Now as for the midsole, you have that mix of gray here on the forefoot and white polyurethane here in the end, with your clear white exposed air sole unit, with an encapsulated air unit in the forefoot. Now as for the outsole, you still have that standard herringbone traction right here, just like any of your standard Jordan 4's with a mix of gray and white and yellow Jumpman in the middle. Now as for sizing and fit, the Jordan 4 Tour Yellow or the Lightning 4's does come in true to size, as I am a true size 12. Whatever you typically use on your Jordan sneakers, I suggest you stick to it since Jordan brand has been consistent with their sizing. Again, the Jordan 4's aren't going to be the best in the overall comfort compared to the Reacts, the Boost, or any other running sneakers, but they're perfect for a casual everyday wear. Overall, man, I really think this is such a solid general release sneaker and a worth it pickup this 2021. For those who are still looking for these in the aftermarket, these things are floating around in the $13K range. More or less around $250 to $270. But not for long in my opinion, because for the quality, the story, that neck-breaking color, no wonder this has been a grail back then and a grail right now. Easily one of the best Jordan brand releases this 2021. Well, that's enough about me, man. How about you guys? Leave a comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts on the Lightning 4's down below in the comments. Is it a trip, flip, or skip? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, don't forget to subscribe to all of our channels from Beyond the Hype, because our next episode will be coming out very soon. Again, that's Beyond the Hype. Like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at rural.icarus right here for more sneaker, streetwear, and music related content right here on the channel. I am Icarus, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. So it's currently default lace right now. I'm gonna be rocking these loosely. Don't suffocate your feet like these. I mean, no, just don't. Just let your feet breathe, man. Let your feet breathe. Loosey-goosey on the 4's. Loosey-goosey.